Banded overhead squat. So use a light band for this. And I'm going to start with my arms out wide here on this band. And I want to keep tension on this band the entire time. So as I bring this up, I bring it up like a similar to a dislocate, right? We do dislocates all the time. But bringing that straight up over my head. And now I want to find my squat stance. And I'm going to try to keep that band straight up overhead. Now I don't want it to fall forward, and I don't want you to drift back and cheat behind you. I want you to keep it straight up, keep pulling that band tight as I squat, and then come back up. Now initially we're challenging your mobility, and we're going to do this a few times. If you need to adjust your feet a little bit, that's fine. But the whole point here is to challenge your hip, ankle, knee, and overhead mobility as you do this squat. Now, if this is really hard for you, it's okay to elevate your heels a little bit. You could elevate your heels using a couple handles on a kettlebell or a dumbbell. And so what I'm going to do is elevate my heels a little bit, and this is going to take away my need for as much ankle mobility. Still going the same here. Bring those arms up. Keep those elbows locked. And that was much easier for me. It's taking away my need to have a lot of ankle mobility here. So that's in the cases if you just have really, really poor ankle mobility. You can elevate your heels a little bit. But as you get better with this, you might start off wide with your hands, and then you can start to move your hands in a little bit closer as you do that. That is your overhead banded overhead squat.